tidy this lovely corner today, Mokmian. I am ready to help you make it beautiful, Mother. We will keep the ones we treasure most on this top shelf. I love the smell of these old paper pages. They feel like secrets. This book was mine when I was exactly your age, Mokmian. It looks like it has been read so many times with love, Mother. A cup of tea after hard work makes the room feel warmer. It smells like jasmine flowers from the garden today, Mother. See how a tidy space helps our hearts feel more motivated? Yes, I feel like I can focus on my dreams much better now. You have done such a wonderful job today, my little helper. I learned that cleaning is actually a kind of game we play together. The evening breeze smells so crisp now that we have finished. It is much easier to breathe in here. Everything feels brand new. I am so happy that we share this little hobby together. Me too, Mother. These moments are my absolute favorite. A clean home really does nourish the soul, does it not? It feels very peaceful, just like a fairy tale book. Shall we keep it like this always? I promise to keep it tidy from now on. You put it back perfectly. It feels so much lighter now. Reach a bit higher, you can do it. I got it, it was just a bit dusty. Some stories stay with us forever. Like this one about the ocean, right? Exactly. Nhân speaks. He loves when we stay here together. These flowers look lovely right there. They make the desk look bright and cheerful. Thank you for the warm cup, dear. I added a little bit of honey for you. The story moves slowly here. I want to know what happens to the hero. It feels so much clearer now. It really does. It feels like I can breathe better. Even these scraps have their place. I will keep them safe for my next craft.
how he enjoys the sunlight.
He is like a little sun doggy now. This notebook is for your drawings.
I will draw our room today.
Your sketch looks wonderful, Mokmian. It represents our special afternoon together. Everything is just in the right place. It is perfect just like this. The wood grain looks beautiful, clean. It looks like it is shining, Mother. You work so hard today. I love our little room project. Rest for a moment now.
The tea is still nice and warm.
Is the story good so far? Yes, the adventure is just starting. Cleaning really helps our mind clear up.
I feel like I have more energy now.
Be gentle with the wood surface.
I am being very soft, look.
You are becoming quite good at this.
I want to keep our home nice for us.
What page are you on now? I just reached the middle. It is amazing.
He is such a good friend.
Yes, he is our loyal reading partner. It is much better than before. I feel really motivated to study now. Keep them all in order. I am lining them up neatly. You have such a kind heart.
I just want to be helpful.
The story is getting very interesting. I love how the hero travels. You look so focused now. I want to finish this chapter. It feels like a new place. It is definitely much better now.
We are finished for today.
It was a nice, productive day. I love our time together.
Me too. It is the best part of the day. We did a great job today.
It looks so cozy and clean now. Ready for rest now.
I am ready for bed, Mother.
Tidiness really does bring peace. It was worth all the work. Just one more to go. I am ready to rest, but it looks so neat. You were a great help today.
I love our cozy home, Mother.
Let us just sit here. It is so quiet and peaceful.
you to sleep.
Good night, Mother. It was a good day. A clean room is happiness.
It really is good night.
Everything is perfectly in place. I love it, Mother. Time for sleep now.
Good night. Everything is beautiful.
So very clean. It is my favorite place. Sweet dreams, my child. Good night, Mother. See you tomorrow.